anything else?
Nope, that's her.
Okay, the archers are all dead or incapacitated, so Xanthi, you're up again.
Again, nobody wants a horse, particularly at the moment. No, fine, whatever.
I mean, like, if you're not using it, then like I guess it's still. What movement does it have?
Get it to bump skier.
I don't think it can jump. Caravnos can't jump that high, according to. It's like your movement plus.
Oh well, then my unseen servant can't do anything about it either, apart from like go there.
Because I was going to send Caravnos to pick up Kaya otherwise.
That'd be alright.
Fine. Caravnos can stay there then. Skier's incapacitated. I would like to grapple the elf that is in front of me. How do I do this? Because I just get. I don't normally grapple. I've only just got better at strength.
Just an athletics check.
Use night to action to put one tracker away, and then it's an athletics check. Then she either rolls acrobatics or athletics to counter you. If you beat her score, she's grappled.
I mean, this would be a cool thing. It might actually be better just to be normal and be Xanthi.
Does it? What benefits does it give if they're grappled? Do they get like disadvantage on hitting you or something?
Well, I'm trying to see if can I then fly up in the air whilst I'm holding her.
You definitely could do that, yeah.
That's fun. I like
yes,
that.
I'm going to do the fun thing.
And then
right.
drop her.
Okay, she will do
So do I need to roll athletics?
Yeah, so she will do athletics as well. She rolls a 21. She's just able to get her bow off and like fend you off, I'm afraid.
Shame.
Can I do? What else can I do? I can do. That's one action, so I can still attack her, can't I? Can I?
No, it's your action to grapple.
Your action.
Well, it's your action to take the attack action, and you can place any attacks with a grapple. So you've still got one attack left.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm not currently. I currently haven't got battle cry up because I have been attacked since then. So I'm just going to attack without. That.
Nice.
That'll do.
Very nice.
That is 11, half to 5.
Has she managed to? Because I've hit her a few times. Is she continuously using battle cry? Is their rage different?
They are raging, yes. It's
Okay.
Proper
Fine.
rage.
Cool.
NPC Amazon, not player character Amazon.
Fine.
But she is bloodied.
Okay.
You've still got your bonus action, haven't you?
Yeah.
You've taken the attack action. You just track them so you can. Oh, yeah.
But I put one of my.
Yeah.
I could. I haven't used my movement, so can I disengage as a bonus action?
Yeah.
In which case, I will disengage and fly upwards, so that she's not going to be able to immediately be able to attack me. So I'm going to fly up by, let's say 15 feet. Should probably use an arrow on me though. No, I'm going to stay here behind her just because it's easier. I'm not going to use my bonus action.
Yeah. Okay. Axis.
Can I jump onto the elephant, especially if I use the jump spell?
With the jump spell, you probably could. Yeah. It's the holder is about 15 feet.
Yeah, and I'm 7 feet tall anyway. So.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I will use my instrument's ability to jump into the spot where I can jump onto the elephant. I'm not great at animal handling, but I imagine if I grab the reins and just yank them to the right, the elephant will turn to the right. I just don't want it to continue straight ahead where it will probably ram into Kaya.
Okay, I said make an animal handling check with advantage because you
Sure.
you do have range.
You've got the reins, yeah.
You get the impression it's going to go like in a rightish direction.
Excellent, that's
Nice.
all I really wanted. Then I will bonus action command my unseen servant to disarm the hypnotic patterned elves.
Okay.
It can only go 30 feet,
I like
so it
that.
can only go that far. and it will disappear if it gets more than 60 feet away from me. But
That's
it's
fun.
going to attempt that.
Yeah.
That's everything for me.
Okay, elephant turn. It's just going to go off. Ooh. Left the page.
I wanted it to go the other direction. So when I say right, I meant it's right.
Oh, right, so you go in
So-
this direction.
Yeah.
So it was there, it'll go. So I'll just move the fire one. And head off in this direction.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay.
I'll move. Sure.
Yeah. You've acquired yourself an elephant, mate.
Cool.
Actually, you don't really have control over the elephant, it's just you've sort of directed its rampage in that direction.
Yeah.
Okay, Centaur's up. She does not want to be looking down the end of an elephant like that.
That's sensible.
She is going to run. Get to there. That's her turn done. Nymphe is just going to fly over the wall. Ooh, that's...
Oh, hi there.
Hi.
Sees the dragon and is going to disengage and keep going.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.
Rhino Rider. She's going to call for her rhino to come over. She moves away.
Right.
She can get to the, so she can get over to the rhino, but she doesn't have enough movement there to mount it.
Okay.
Force Archer. She's just going to try and stab Greenie at disadvantage.
Don't know if it's relevant, but the elephant would have taken some fire damage.
Oh, would it? Yes.
Oh.
11 and 10 on Xanthi, so both those miss.
Yep.
Good.
22 fire. Right, keep those.
Wall of Fire is pretty good.
I say, Axis, you are now certain you do not have any control of this elephant.
Yeah, that's fair.
Elephant is pissed.
Wish I still had calm emotions.
Oh no, yeah, it would have been relevant here.
Just imagine Arxa singing a lullaby to this
Yeah,
elephant,
yeah.
is it?
Yeah.
Gently
This-
calm.
Elephant that's just been banished to Elysium, dropped out of the sky, and then set on fire. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Calming
hi,
lullaby
you're
would
up,
help.
yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we're generally in a pretty decent spot here. This one down here is annoying. Oh, it's not worth doing anything too crazy. Let's just Scorching Ray her. So Scorching Ray, 28 to hit.
28 will hit.
So 9, 22 to hit for 4, and 29 to hit for 4.
How come you're
Nice.
shooting 3 times? What's you doing?
Scorching Ray fires 3 times.
Nice. A bit like a magic missile.
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
Um,
actually,
a very singed looking centaur, which rages nothing against fire.
Yeah.
Anything else?
I'm gonna move. It's a shame she didn't go right round the corner, or else I just shoved her into the wall of fire. I'll attempt to shove her 5 feet back with the bonus action, just because I can mostly.
Strength check.
Yeah, strength check versus my spell save, so 18.
17.
Push her 5 feet directly backwards. Then I'm gonna move, and I'm not sure what's worse, the centaur or the rhino, but there is an elephant between us and the rhino, so gonna go to that is Kaya.
Okay. Aegis, you're up.
Okay. Alrighty. Things are just a little bit too far away at the minute, which is a little annoying. So I think what I'm gonna do is but be 20 feet in the air, and then I'm gonna throw a javelin at this person. So
Go for it. 26 hits.
nice.
11.
And I can't.
Reduced to 5.
Yep, and I can't smite on a ranged attack, can I?
No.
So
Not
that
stunned.
is fine. No, that's totally fine. Yeah, that's great, Astra.
Eat it. Eat the smaller
Eat the
bird.
small bird. Yeah, I mean she can't reach anything else, so yeah, she's gonna fly here and try and chomp. I don't know if that's gonna hit or not.
14 does hit for 4.
Nice. Oh, she could have used her lightning rod, but never mind.